Hello there. Let's talk about something that could change everything for you. Have you ever felt like you've been searching for the answers, but no matter where you look, you just can't find them? You've been looking everywhere, trying different things, but it feels like there's always something missing. What if I told you that everything you've been searching for, the very thing that holds the key to transforming your life, is already inside you? We often think that we need to search outside of ourselves for answers. We think that change must come from some external force or situation. We look to books, people, or circumstances, hoping they will give us the breakthrough we're seeking. But the truth is, the power to create the life you desire is not somewhere out there, it's within you. The moment you recognize this, everything shifts. So, why do we miss this? Why do we spend so much time searching in places that never seem to bring the change we want? The reason is simple: we've been taught to look outside ourselves. Society conditions us to believe that external things hold the power to shape our lives. But the real truth is that you already possess the ability to change your circumstances, your feelings, and your world, simply by changing your thoughts. Let's break this down. You see, your mind is a powerful tool. The way you think, the beliefs you hold, and the images you create in your imagination shape the world you experience. Your thoughts are not just random occurrences, they are seeds being planted in the soil of your subconscious mind. And just like any seed, they eventually grow into reality. But here's the catch: not all thoughts are equal. Some are empowering, and some are limiting. If you've been thinking that you are stuck, that change is out of reach, or that things will never improve, you're essentially planting seeds of limitation. And as those seeds grow, they manifest into the very experiences you want to avoid. But the power to reverse this is in your hands. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. You don't have to wait for the right circumstances, the right people, or the perfect moment. The right time is now. The moment you decide to believe that you already have the power to change your life is the moment it starts happening. But belief is key. You can't just hope for change or wish it into existence. You must truly believe that change is possible for you and that you are worthy of it. Imagine for a moment that you are standing in front of a mirror. What do you see? Your reflection is simply a reflection of what's happening within you. Your thoughts, your beliefs, and your feelings create the image you see in the mirror. If you don't like what you see, you have the power to change it. I know this might sound too simple, but this simplicity is the very reason why it's so powerful. The world we see around us is merely a reflection of what's going on inside our minds. Change the inner world, and the outer world will change to match it. This is the power of thought and belief, the power that resides in you. The key to unlocking this power lies in understanding that your external circumstances do not control you. It's not the situation you're in that determines your life, it's how you respond to it. This is where true freedom comes in. You are not at the mercy of your circumstances. You are not stuck in a loop of fate. You have the ability to shift your perspective and change your experience. It's also important to recognize that this power does not require force or struggle. You don't need to fight against life or try to control every outcome. In fact, the more you try to control things from a place of fear or resistance, the more you are reinforcing the very things you don't want. The key is in letting go, trusting, and allowing the power of your thoughts and imagination to guide you. Let me explain this with a simple analogy. Imagine that your mind is like a garden. If you plant seeds of doubt, fear, and worry, those seeds will grow into weeds that take over the entire garden. But if you plant seeds of love, belief, and positive expectation, those seeds will grow into a beautiful, flourishing garden that reflects the life you desire. The difference is in what you choose to plant. This brings us to the idea of your inner world. Your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs create a sort of invisible energy field around you. This energy field is what attracts your experiences. If your inner world is full of negativity, fear, and doubt, that energy will attract more of the same. But if your inner world is full of positivity, faith, and love, that energy will attract situations and people that align with those vibrations. It's not enough to just think positively or say affirmations. You must truly feel the emotions that come with your desired outcomes. The emotions you feel are the fuel for your thoughts. When you combine the power of thought with the energy of your emotions, you create a magnetic force that pulls your desires into your reality. One of the most powerful tools you have at your disposal is your imagination. Your imagination is where your dreams begin. It's where you can create the life you want, long before it shows up in physical form. Through imagination, you can begin to experience the emotions, the circumstances, and the relationships that you desire. By repeatedly imagining your desired outcome as if it's already happening, you are impressing it upon your subconscious mind, which then begins to attract those experiences into your life. But here's the thing, you must believe in the reality of your imagination. Your imagination is not some fantasy. It's the creative power of the universe working through you. The more you feed it with belief, the more powerful it becomes. This is why it's so important to remove any doubt or skepticism. Doubt cancels out the energy of belief, and without belief, the creative process slows down. Now, you might be thinking, I've tried this before, and nothing happened. I understand. It's easy to get discouraged when results don't show up immediately. But remember, the law of attraction is not a magic trick that works overnight. It's a process that requires patience and persistence. Just like planting seeds in a garden, you must nurture them and give them time to grow. But there's another key element to this process that you must understand. In order to truly change your life, you must align your actions with your thoughts and beliefs. You cannot expect to think positive thoughts but take negative actions. Your actions must reflect your inner belief. This is where the power of alignment comes in. When your thoughts, emotions, and actions are in harmony, you create a powerful force that propels you toward your goals. Let me give you an example. Imagine you are trying to manifest a new job. You think positive thoughts and imagine yourself in the perfect position. But if you don't take action, if you don't apply for jobs, network, or improve your skills, then nothing will change. The key is in aligning your inner world with your outer actions. When you do this, the universe has no choice but to bring the right opportunities into your life. It's important to recognize that you don't have to know how things will unfold. The universe works in mysterious ways, and sometimes the path to your desires is not always clear. Trust that everything is working out for you, even when you can't see the full picture. The more you trust in the process, the more you will begin to notice synchronicities and opportunities showing up in your life. Another thing to keep in mind is the power of gratitude. Gratitude is the energy that accelerates manifestation. When you are grateful for what you already have, you send out a signal of abundance into the universe, which then responds by bringing you more things to be grateful for. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's already present, and this shift is where the magic happens. As you continue on your journey of self-discovery and manifestation, remember that you are the creator of your reality. You have the power to change your circumstances at any moment. The key is in changing your inner world, your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. When you align your inner world with the life you want to create, the outer world will follow. So, stop searching outside of yourself for answers. The answers are already within you. The power to change your life is not something you need to go looking for. It's already inside you, waiting to be tapped into. The moment you realize this, everything changes. You become the creator of your own destiny. The road to change is not always easy, but it's worth it. With persistence, belief, and trust in the process, you can create the life you've always dreamed of. You have the power to make it happen. Don't wait any longer. The time to start is now. So, if you're ready to take control and start shaping your reality, start by looking within. Stop seeking outside validation. Stop waiting for the right moment, the right person, or the perfect circumstances. The perfect moment is now. The power to change your life is in your hands. Don't let another day pass by without taking action to align your thoughts with your desires. The life you want is waiting for you to claim it. If you found value in this message, I'd love for you to support this channel. Like this video, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an empowering message like this one. Stay connected and keep revisiting this channel as you continue to unlock the immense potential within you. Your journey of transformation starts here, and I'm honored to be part of it.